से औरत का वाइफ नहीं
It's like
बनती.
in big castle.
So they are saying just because a woman wears bangles, she doesn't become a prostitute.
Oh.
Which is true, obviously.
Huh.
I guess like it was a misconception back in the days that a woman who dances
Uh-huh.
is a prostitute.
Yeah.
दिन के और रात के सारे
She
हुनर
must
सीखी.
master the art of an wise man.
Oh my god, she's actually teaching them how to
It's
be.
like Kama Sutra.
So she's like the leader of them,
Uh-huh.
and she's like, just because you wear the bangles doesn't mean that you know the art to entice men or seduce men.
She's like she's giving tutorial.
जबान रखते हुए हाथ छू जाए
When
तो
your hand
साहब के
brushes,
अरमान और
your
जिस्म
arousal
दोनों जान
desires
जाने
will be
चाहिए.
body. Ew.
That is
Sounds
that
so
is
wrong.
that is another level of psychology, I
She
guess.
looks like a witch.
They were teaching psychology to the brothel.
Yeah. Dark cycle. Ew.
Why?
Is she like orgasming or something?
But he's orgasming. But I one more thing. There's a guy who's driving the chariot, right, with a horse.
And why
And
is he
he's-
moaning her name?
He's pointing towards that guy as if like to make other people think that he's
I don't
like
know. I don't
having
understand.
some kind of thing with her.
We have to watch it in full to understand that scene.
Sir, these tawaids are very powerful.
The aesthetics are really nice.
Under their thumbs.
Nawabs.
So they're saying that these
What are nawabs?
Nawabs were like the in a way like rich people or rulers, I would say.
The one
Of
that
those
wear a
time.
hat, is it?
Yeah, Nawabs. I don't know if Nawabs are like a specific term for just Muslim rulers or not.
I think it is.
So they were saying that they were like quite. These prostitutes are quite like powerful,
Mm-hmm.
and they have like Nawabs, like big people under their thumb. Like whatever they say,
Yeah.
Nawabs will listen, and makes sense
Damn.
also.
So they could be running the country.
Yep.
क्या फिरोज साहब अब आधे मिनट
Ew.
तक इंसान जताएंगे आप.
Half the minute? Meaning he lasts half the minute. 30 seconds.
She exposed them. She exposed him out loud.
Uh,
Why? I think she got the joke. That's why she's laughing.
dude.
She's like, oh, what a roast.
Oh.
तीर निशाने पे लगा है मेरी जान और हाथ
What? Also my hand too?
She say like, so this one is saying to her
Uh-huh.
that your whatever you said to the Nawab or the guy
Uh-huh.
was on point. Like you
Oh.
nailed him. Like you were able to like
Huh.
trap him in your words and all that.
I guess broad people culture has always been about roasting. Like roasting is just in their genes, right?
Well, what can we do?
Like even prostitutes can roast. Like back from where I come
Actually,
from.
women can roast more better than men, I would say.
Yeah, but back from like these days in modernization,
Mm-hmm.
I don't think prostitutes like in Asian country can roast anyone because it's a very degraded job.
Yeah.
But
True.
over here, it's like it's well accepted by the society.
Yeah, like look at the like
Yeah.
they are dressed up as like they are celebrities of their like city or something. They are like they're not dressed up like very like the image of prostitutional
yeah,
places.
it's not like
Nowadays that we see in media like Indian
Like-
media or this or that. It's
Yeah.
like shit.
it's like shit. But
Yeah.
here it's like there are some high elite, don't know what.
Yeah, makes
Elite
sense also.
society.
Makes sense also because they do say that whenever war comes near, the need for entertainment becomes higher.
Why to tame the man down so they don't get further into war and destroy the whole nation?
Like,
Yeah, I guess in
like
that
the
sense,
depression in the sense of depression, because people who are going to them are not basically the ones who are fighting war. People who are going to them are basically the ones who are sitting at home and just obsessed, like
Or maybe they came back from war.
like depression or this or that.
Self reward, I guess. So prostitution did play a big part back in the days. I guess if they were not there, it would have collapsed the whole nation.
I don't
They
think
couldn't
so.
have tamed down the
I would say
What did I say?
I would say like one thing,
Uh-huh.
if prostitution wasn't there, maybe we would have come up with like a better thing, like some. No wonder like the culture of India and Pakistan like mostly Lahore, I would say.
Mhm.
It's basically like towards like musical thing and all
Oh,
that
yeah,
mostly.
yeah.
So
But-
she went into the men's washroom.
Oh.
नजारा लेडीज रूम में कहाँ देखने को नसीब होगा?
Oh, so even the British rulers are coming here.
What the heck?
The
Okay.
view isn't available in the ladies' room.
I don't understand one thing. Did the British people understand Hindi?
It
Why
looks
she-
like he's understanding.
They hired some like Indian looking fake British. Yes, yes, I understand.
Okay, let's watch. British leave India.
Revolution था.
फरीदन दहलीज पार कर
Freedom
गई,
diminished
दीवार
across the
पार
coast.
नहीं कर पाएंगी,
Will never cross the
पुरानी दीवारें पार नहीं.
whole
Dude,
walls,
this
islands,
was so
basic
scary. Like it
walls.
feels like she's turning and they're like ghosts appearing.
Exactly, they look like nuns
Yeah,
with jewelry.
yeah.
गिराती जाती है.
So I don't
She's
understand.
the
Like,
destroyer.
is this season about like the British and India fight, or is it about like how like the brothels, right?
Uh-huh.
They have like the heads, like women who are like head of the brothels who
Yeah.
teach the other woman every single thing. So I feel like that she created her own brothel or like her own
Yeah, she's
like
the head. I think.
took the power from the other one.
Yeah. Makes sense. She's more masculine than Williams. Maybe that's why.
शराफत हमने
She's
छोड़ दी,
controlled.
मोहब्बत ने हमें छोड़ दी. अब सिर्फ
शराफत ने हमें छोड़ दी, हमने मोहब्बत को छोड़ दी.
Oh, she fall in love with somebody, I think.
शराफत ने हमें छोड़ दी. So like it would be that we I don't know.
I don't know. The only thing left to fight for is struggle for freedom.
एक बार मुजरे
Oh,
वाली
I stink like a patriot,
मर्द
not
वाली
a
बनकर
princess.
Okay, this movie became from like seduction
Art
to
of seduction.
art of seduction, like was saying art of seduction
Mm.
to art of fighting a war. Woman power.
Susan out of war. Wow, I like the aesthetics.
Who died?
The jewelry are really nice too.
Okay, that
That looks wrong.
scene looked wrong.
It's like backdoor scene.
And why is he dressed up like a woman?
Yeah, exactly.
Like, why such a big shawl?
Rebukes.
Nawab Zorawar Ali Khan
Oh, the ruler.
rebukes.
जोरावर अली खान जब जूता भी मारता है तो सोने का मारता है.
For only. Oh, but he
These are-
says something else. Translate something else.
These are the people
Uh-huh.
who till now buy Supreme,
Supreme is what?
the Supreme products,
Oh.
the bricks and all that stuff.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's meant for these people.
Yeah.
Like, oh, I throw a brick at you. The brick is also expensive.
है मलिका जान.
ये शाही महल है और यहाँ के खुदा
And
हम
here.
हैं.
Now, okay, that's after.
I told you, she has a beard.
ये मलिका जान का दामन इतने से
I think the mattress was so nice that she was doing this.
Mm.
Nice.
खून से इसकी प्यास नहीं बुझेगी.
Why? You're taking someone.
बहारी में एक
Okay, what is this thing like grabbing a woman by the collar?
जान लंबी तैरती नजर आई.
Oh, threat.
I'm shattered.
What the heck?
Oh,
is going on?
what?
Sex scenes.
Are they
army
war or
scenes?
they are
Like, what is
that
happening?
kind of war?
Who edited this trailer?
Love and rebellion can't be separated.
इससे इनकलाब के बीच कोई फर्क नहीं होता.
She went from long hair to short hair. Why?
Yeah.
Did they wanted to cut her hair before hanging her to death? The Diamond Bazaar. Okay, Hira Mandi. Mandi is bazaar, Hira is diamond.
Oh.
हीरा मंडी में अंग्रेजों का
Diamond Bazaar la, the Diamond Bazaar.
मलिका जान का सिक्का चलता है.
Oh, ho, ho. So,
Everyone is up to
so I
power.
guess they are fighting against Malika Jan.
So she wants to be the next British ruler.
She's like, I'm gonna colonize India.
Yeah. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh god.
Everyone is ruined then.
Yeah.
Because let's just be real. Women
Yeah.
have no rationalization.
Okay. So it apparently released today.
Yeah, I think there's 8 episodes.
I don't know if I'm gonna watch. You're gonna watch?
Maybe I will.
I just feel like it's gonna be a lot of boring dialogues.
Yeah, because brown people are all about this kind of
You know,
dialogues.
like I
You know what
can
mean?
still go with dialogues, but like boring dialogues, as in like
Roasting.
if there's no like plot point behind it, like there's no like you
Maybe
know
you
like
can find some action, like the bad action.
if I wanna watch that, I'll go elsewhere rather than Netflix. But
guess.
I noticed one thing: Netflix is just making sexual shit nowadays,
Yeah.
like 365, this and that. Like
Okay. Let's
so,
wrap it up.
that is it for today's video, and please make sure you
Like, share, and subscribe.
bye guys.
Bye.